Hello friends, today we will discuss about plate with a rectangular hole on ANSYS Mechanical APDL 2020. So let's start. First go to the preferences, then select structure, then click on OK. Now go to the preprocessor, then go to the element type, then add, then go to the add, then select solid, then click on OK. Now go to the options, then select plane stress with thickness, then click on OK, then close it. Now go to the real constant, then go to the add, and the thickness is 5, then click on OK. Now close it. Now go to the material properties, then material models, then go to the structure, then linear, then elastic, then isotropic. Value of E is 2.1 E5 and value of PR is 0.3. Now click on OK, then close it. Now go to the modeling, then create, then go to the areas, then rectangle, then select by two corner. Value of x is 0, y is 0, width is 35 and height is 60. Then click on OK. Again go to the by two corners. Value of x is 12.5, value of y is 10, width is 10 and height is 40. Click on OK. Again go to the by two corners. Value of x is 35, value of y is 15, width is 40 and height is 30. Then click on OK. Again go to the by two corners. Value of x is 45 and y is 25, width is 20 and height is 10. Then click on OK. Now go to the operate, then booleans, then go to the subtract, then areas. So we have to subtract the smaller rectangle from the bigger rectangle. So here a smaller rectangle is subtracted. Now again go to the areas. Here also the area is subtracted. Now go to the meshing, then go to the mesh tool, then go to the element attribute, select the areas, then click on set, then pick all, then click on OK. Again go to the mesh tool, in size control go to the areas, then click on set, then again pick all. So element edge length is 5, then click on OK. Now again go to the mesh tool, then go to the final mesh, then click on pick all. So meshing is done. Now go to the loads, then define loads, then apply, then structure, then displacement, then go to the on lines, then select the left side of the rectangle, then click on OK, then click on OK. Now go to the pressure, then go to the on lines, then select the right side of the rectangle, then click on OK. So the pressure value is -5 kN per meter square. Now click on OK. Now go to the solution, then solve, then current ls. So solution is done. So now go to the general post processor, then go to the plot result, then go to the deform shape, then deform plus undeform, then click on OK. So now go to the contour plot, then go to the nodal solution, then DOF solution, then displacement vector sum, then deform plus undeform, then click on OK. So now solution is done. For isometric view, go to the plot control, then go to the style, then go to the size and shape. So turn it on, then click on OK. Now go to the isometric view. So here solution is done. Thank you.